Okay, I visit Hire10x website login page, right? So this one will be same for all the scenarios, right? So either we can use it here, or we can keep it in before all, or we can not before all, before, or we can keep it in background. Okay, so let me write background. Okay, given I am on Hire10x website, or I will add this here. Okay, then I will remove this here. Okay, now this will run first, then it will come here when I enter the login details, and we can add login details. Okay, let me remove this feature file, this is not required. So I'm changing this when step because I added some extra content, right? So I change this when step. Now it should run. Yes, for the cases fast, right? Okay, now let's add one by one. So before all, we can do the driver setup, right? So do you have that code for driver setup? Anyone? Or I will get it from our GitHub repo. So did I push my Selenium code? No, right? Okay, now I'm taking the entire configuration and adding it in before all. You have to mention this as an asynchronous function. Now this is done. Driver setup is done now. So now before every function, either you can use the login scenario here or you have written the background, right? So that background we have added this step. So either you can add it here or you can add it in before. Both will work. Okay, since we added the background step, let me try it here. So we should be in the login page, right? It should be asynchronous function. We will remove this return. Okay, so this is done. So now we are in login step. Okay, now this step will pass. Now let me go to the second one. When I enter the login details with valid credentials. So if you want to maximize your window, you can do the maximize here. Even after the driver setup, you can immediately maximize the window. And timeout, implicit timeout setup also you can do it here. Okay. Okay. So now we are capturing the element, right? So now, as of now, I will capture the element directly, but while writing the script, you need to write it in separate file and you need to call it here. Okay. So now we added the username, password, and login button. Uh, Captured locators, and let's do the operation now. So username, password. So we are entering this. It's valid credentials, and we are going to click the login button here. Okay. So this is our second step. Okay. Now the second step also pass. Let's go to the third step. So third step, what we will be verifying, we can check whether the manage JD button is available or not. Right. So this is not proper validation, but as of now we can keep this. So that will be in then condition. I receive successful login notification. Instead of that, I'm going to validate the manage JD button. Oh, okay, no, I'm not sure whether this assert is correct or not, but let's try this. Or we can check. Okay, so this it's their assert of value and message. Then I think it should work. Let's see. So all other steps will not run now. So it's fine to keep it. Or if you want to remove also, we can remove it. Okay. So let's try now. What is import statement outside a module? So it's working now, but when